What's up, fam? I'm going to share with you the good, the bad, and the ugly of my experience with my Facebook ads. What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. Hope you guys are cutting on. So today, I'm going to share with you my experience with my Facebook ads. How did that marketing go for me? But first, if this is your first time to the channel, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm just a small business owner trying to take my $300,000 a year business to $500,000 this year. Sharing my mistakes, my ups and downs, and how you can cut on. I want to share with you my experience with the Facebook ads. Now, first off, I'm going to show you my Facebook ad so you can see what it looks like. It's like a 30-second commercial, and then I'm gonna share with you what happened. Fam, that was the Facebook ad. It was developed by a guy named Kent, and pretty much he charged me like $75 to develop it, and all in I put like $500 into the ad, meaning that he will run the ad over a certain period of time up to where the $500 was depleted, or at any time I could have stopped, but I wanted to continue to run the ad until all the funds was depleted. And pretty much out of all the ads, the time that was spent running, I wind up getting 0 clients. Yep, 0. Nada, not an inkling, nobody. Now, did I get leads? Yes, I got leads. Now, here is the problem that Facebook has for people such as ourselves who do lawn care. You put the information in, you can put the zip code in and everything, but the problem is it's everywhere. It'll be all over. You cannot specify what zip code you want to go to. You can specify the city, and if you're living in a metro town like me, in Atlanta, if you say I want it in Madonna, Georgia may have 6 zip codes, and them zip codes will be far in between each other. Conyers, smaller city, so only thing about Conyers, I did not get anybody from Conyers, so therefore you put it in a radius and they start getting you people outside of Conyers where I did not want to go. So I wasn't happy with Facebook at all. So running an ad through Facebook, you don't have any control on the radius or where you want to go. Now, if you're building and you don't mind finding clients where you can find clients, maybe it'll work for you. That may be something that you want to do. But for me, no, I don't think I will do Facebook next year. So let me drop this jewel. Where I'm getting my best bang for my buck, y'all, is flyers. It's putting flyers on mailboxes. Now, I have been dinged in a place in Atlanta where I was putting flyers on mailboxes, and the post office person actually called me and said, hey, don't be putting flyers on the mailboxes. I said, hey, can I put the flyers on the pole of the mailbox? They said, long as it ain't on the mailbox. So I'm putting it on the poles now. That's where I'm getting my best results, man. putting flyers out, putting that footwork in. Also, one of the things that I would keep telling you over and over and over and over, if you do not have my Google business, you are losing out on great opportunities of building clientele. I have my Google business. Please look up Quick Cutz Premium Lawn Care. You will see me come up off to the side. You will see my ratings, and also you will see, by the way, you'll see the location. And if you here and you're feeding off my channel, meaning I'm giving you some valuable information, hey, look my business up on Google and give me a 5-star review saying, hey, this guy's very knowledgeable. He is someone who knows what he's doing. I'll greatly appreciate that. Now, what else I would say from those two things I'm doing? So putting out flyers, my Google business, and my website. If I had to give anybody any information on marketing, website, my Google business, put out your flyers, you have more than enough work, which I do. I turn away work all the time. However, I'm trying to get in subdivisions where I want 3 or more properties in that subdivision. So hopefully this information helps. Facebook didn't work for me, but if you got any comments, put it down there if Facebook worked for you. I know a lot of people said private Facebook page. I ain't getting in those yet. But hey, hope this helped somebody. Cut On Lawn Care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.